Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ninja Foodi chicken drumsticks with sweet potatoes and green beans. This is all going to be made in one pot. Super easy and delicious. So let's get started. So this dinner is actually a one-dish dinner that's ready to go in just 30 minutes. You are going to need these ingredients: 6 chicken drumsticks, 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, 1 bag of frozen green beans. I actually really like the Aldi brand for these. Olive oil spray, rosemary, and garlic salt. That's all you're going to need to get this dinner ready. So the next thing you're going to need to do is slice the potatoes. But before we do that, it's a good idea to go ahead and turn the Ninja Foodi on to air crisp for 390 degrees. You can just turn it on for about 5 minutes and then we'll be ready to use it anyway, but this will get it to start preheating. That way the cook time's not quite so long. Then we're going to get started on slicing those sweet potatoes. Now it's time to slice the sweet potatoes. First, you're going to cut them in half. Then you're going to take each half and cut them again in half, which is making it quartered. Then you're going to just slice those up into small pieces. And then we're going to move on to the next step. Go ahead and grab those green beans so we can get them ready. So now that you have your green beans ready, go ahead and spray the pot of the Ninja Foodi with olive oil spray. Add in your green beans and sweet potatoes with a little bit of rosemary and garlic salt, then coat them again with olive oil spray to make sure they're nice and coated. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. Go ahead and grab that wire rack that comes with the Ninja Foodi. Make sure it's set on the highest position. Then you're going to have to work it in there a bit to get it put into the pot with the vegetables. Once you have that done, we're going to set those chicken drumsticks right on top. Coat the drumsticks with olive oil and seasoning. Air crisp, 390 degrees, and 25 minutes. Be sure to flip them over halfway through cook time to get them well cooked on both sides. At this point, you can also add more olive oil spray and seasoning to the other side if you prefer as well. Get them to 165 degrees internal temperature. When you're done, remember to stir up those veggies to get them well coated in the olive oil. Remember, they're going to be crispy. Then it's time to serve up dinner in just under 30 minutes. Quick tip, whenever you get done and you pull the chicken out, stir up those vegetables, add some olive oil spray to them. If they're not done yet to your liking, go ahead and cook them for another about 5 minutes. Remember, these aren't going to be steamed vegetables. Think oven baked or roasted. That's the look and the texture we're going for here. That's it. You've made a delicious dinner. Aren't you proud of yourself? I sure am, and I'm ready for dinner. Remember to like this video, plus subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming videos and recipes. And remember that all of these recipes can be found right on my website at mommyhatescooking.com. And I have years worth of recipes for you there. And not just for the Ninja Foodi. I have them for all sorts of methods. So be sure to head over and check it out. Thanks so much for joining in today to see how to make Ninja Foodi chicken drumsticks with sweet potatoes and green beans.